basic colors are RGB. So derived colors are can, magenta, yellow. Everything's every color is the derived color only. Guys, does the light play any role? Hey, Irappa. While discussing about networks, dark, flat, or DBMS, do we need to worry about light sources or light sources? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hey, Ivogli, in which subject, while dealing with which subject, we need to worry about light? Once again, reply. While dealing with which subject, we need to worry about light? Guys, answer Madra, Subhash, Manoj, Nishant. While dealing with which subject, we need to worry about light. Hey, important
Op-
topic, Madra. Huh?
Optics, sir.
Huh? Does computer graphics have anything with respect to light? Does computer science have anything with respect to light? Kai, without life, can you see any object? Why? Without light, can we see any subject, any object? Then, ಇರ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Guys, why is this mosquito liquid visible in white color? Do you have any idea about that one? Why do we see the wall in white color? Or why do we see the white color wall? Or why do we see the mobile screen as black? Or why is Manoj t-shirt in orange color? Why is that one? All other colors except black, sir. ಗೈಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎವ್ರಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಹಾಯ್ ಮೋನಿಕಾ, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. ಮೂವರೇನಾ? 4, ಮಹೇಶ್ 5, ಸುಭಾಷ್ 6, ಸುಭಾಷ್ 5. ಇರಪ್ಪ, ದಿಸ್ ಮೌಸ್, ದ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮೌಸ್, ಯಾಮಿನಿ ಬಾಲ, ಗುಡ್ 6. This mouse is in black color. This mosquito liquid machine, it is in white color. My ring is in gold color. My hair is in black color. The background wood is in brown color. We can see, Irai, one question. How we can see that it is brown color? Why we are seeing that it has brown color? Why is visible to me as brown color? Any idea? Why it is visible as brown color? Why is my mask in blue color? Hey Rapa, first thing, to see any object, do we need a light source? Others, Elro, to see any object, do we need a light source? It may be sun or tube light or CFL bulb or even our mobile torch or any other thing. To see any geometric object, do we need light? Do we need light to see any geometric object? Others, Manoj, Subhash ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಇದೊಂದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರು ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವೋ I am not saying it's only me who is knowing that one. Do we first of all see here, to see any geometric object we need light, guys. We need one illumination model or we need one light source. What happening is that light source, how we can see this mosquito coil machine in white color? What is the relationship between the light source, that is sun or tube light, this machine and my eye? What is the process which is happening? What is the process happening? ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಮನೋಜ್, ಕೈಫ್, ಸುಭಾಷ್, ಮೋನಿಕಾ, ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಮಾ? ಕುಕಿಂಗ್. Some other girl. See here. We can see this mosquito coil machine in white color because a beam of light is coming from the light source. A beam of light, it is coming from the light source. If the beam of light, if it won't fall on this object, if it won't fall on this object, will it be visible to me? Yes or no? A beam of light coming from light source, if it does not fall on this geometric object, will it be visible to me? Yes or no? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕು. So what happens apart from Manoj? So what happens is a beam of light, it is going to come here. ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. See here, a beam of light, it is coming and it is falling on the object, and that object will be reflecting white color. ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ವೈ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, a beam of light falling on this mosquito coil machine. What happens is this object is going to reflect white color light to my eyes. This part is going to reflect blue color light to my eyes. That's why it is visible in white color. This is visible in blue color. Not sir, ಇದು white color ಇದೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ white color ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. This is in blue color sir. That's why you are seeing in blue color sir. This mouse is in black color sir. So that's why it is visible in black color. ಅದಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Why we see this as white color is a beam of light. Sunrise ಇವಾಗಿರೋದು, sun ಇದೆ. Sun rays is coming and falling on this machine, and this machine is reflecting white color to my eyes. That's why I am seeing this in white color. You know, why do we see ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಇರೋ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ appears to us ಇರಪ್ಪ? The objects which are rough or brighter, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? which are rough, ಅದು ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ? which are having good polish, which one will be bright? Which one will be bright? The geometric objects which are rough or which are smooth? Polish ಇರೋದು. Which is going to reflect more light? Polish ಇರೋದಾ rough ಆಗಿರೋದಾ? Which is going to reflect more light? polished. That's the reason why we can see the images which are polished in a bright color. That's the reason why we see the images which are rough in a dark color. In the house, guys, outside wall will be there, right? That will be a little bit rough, that looks dull. Ade ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆದ್ರೆ it will be little bit polished, right? That's why it looks bright. ನೀವು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿ, ಮನೆ ಆಚೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ವಾಲು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ನೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. It will be smooth. The only reason is a beam of light, it will fall on any geometric object. A beam of light, it falls on the geometric object, and that geometric object reflects light, and that geometric object reflects light. ಆ geometric object ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಲೈಟ್ ನ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಕಲರ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? got to know. ರಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಲಿಶ್ಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಇದು ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಕಾವ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಮ್ಮ? ಓಕೆ, how many types of light sources are there? ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, I don't have any problem. See guys, a beam of light, first of all, if there is no light source, any object won't be visible. If any object is visible, it is because a beam of light is falling on that object. A beam of light is falling on that object, and that object is reflecting the light. ನಮ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಏನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ. A beam of light is falling on this object, and this object is reflecting white color. That's why we can see it as white color, milky white. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Understood? So, okay, how many types of light sources are there? Yes, how many types of light sources are there? You can guess, guys, how many types of light sources are there? Yes, guys, how many types of light sources are there? Natural light or artificial light? Okay, in natural and artificial, Manoj. Hey, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾವ್ಯ, ಕೈಫ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Hey, tube light in your sunlight, is it same all over the place, और कश्मीर में ज्यादा होता है, कन्याकुमारी में कम होता है, मध्य प्रदेश में ज्यादा होता है, यूपी में कम होता है? Is there anything like that? ಮಂಡ್ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮದ್ದೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಟ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Is that anything or it is uniform? ಈಗ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ in the room, is it same for all corners of the room or it is different? Guys, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಂಡ್ರ. Yamini Bala, you were supposed to send something. Apart from Manoj. Hey, is laser and tube light same? Laser light. Or while doing some PPT presentation, we use some light, right? To point. Is that one and tube light same? Or that one and sunrise same? Sunlight same? Laser is also one of the light source, right? And CFL light or laser is one type of light source. CFL is one type of light source. CFL or laser is one type of light source. CFL or tube light or sunrise. That's also one type of light source. And if you see, if you are from village side, what they do is, if any procession or any jatra or any karga is there, they turn the light to the sky, right, to let the other village people know that something is happening there. Have people seen that one? At least in Bangalore in karga time, they do that one. Distant light sources. Distant. Distant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೂರ. Distance light sources. Have people seen that one? Manoj. ನಾನು ನೀನು 4 ಜನ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಣ ಮನೋಜ್. Okay, let's not waste time. You people go through this one. Different types of light sources. First one is point light sources. Next one is the distant light sources. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು guys, why guys, while taking selfie in our mobile, camera ಇರ್ರಿ while taking selfie in our mobile, or all the people who are ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಮನೋಜು ಮೋನಿಕಾ ಬಶ್ಯಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, you people will be standing behind me. Who looks brighter
Yes, sir.
in that selfie? ಏನಮ್ಮ?
ನೀವೇ ಸರ್.
The person who is closer, ನಾನಲ್ಲ. The person who is very close to that geometric object or light source, that person will be bright enough, right? Correct? ಮನೋಜ್, ಹಿಂಗೊಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ತಗೊಳಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ, the person who is very near to the camera, that person will be having bright image, right? So that is called as radial intensity authentication. Means in a light source, what happens is, there is some, ಈಗ laser one type of light source, sun one type of light source, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್, ದೂರ, ಒಂದು ಬೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. That is one thing. That is the third thing. And fourth type of light source is radial intensity authentication. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, the images appear brighter which are near to the light source. ದೂರ ಇರೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is one more thing. That is radial authentication. Next ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು directional light sources and spotlight effects. Spotlight's one type of light source. Hey, what is the difference between hey, correct idadre helra? Is there any difference between our mobile and is there any difference between our mobile torch and torch, normal torch? ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಎರಡು? Is there any difference between, hey, ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಲೈಟ್ಗೂ ನಮಗೂ ಏನಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೇನಪ್ಪ? Is there any difference? ಮನೋಜ್, ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಲೈಟು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಏನಾ? ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಪುಟ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಚೇರ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಚೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಈಗ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ರೂಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Other type of light sources are directional light sources. First one, no point light sources. Next to uniform light sources. Next to directional light sources. Next to distant light sources. Next to radial intensity authentication. Okay, these are the 5 types of light sources. Let me see in another area now. Next one bit angular intensity authentication. Angular intensity authentication ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ 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 ಲೈಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ನಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ brightness will be more. As we move far, the brightness decreases. Okay, that is nothing but your angular intensity authentication. So this is something about your light sources. So in the next class we shall see color models, guys. Color models Monday. Tomorrow we will be having CG mini project as well as lab. We shall start that one tomorrow, and I will share a link to you people. You try to install. Hey, how many of you are having laptops with you right now? Reply L. Okay, Kavya, Jivan, not raw. Now I am going to share a link to install Dev C++. Manoj, Kavya, Nishan, Jivan, Mahesh, on Basham ಹೇಳಿ. You people install Dev C++ in your device and let me know as soon as you do that one. Inna ivaga 10:23. I will wind up the class in 1 minute. ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು after having breakfast or parallelly ಟಿಫನ್ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. I'm going to share the link. Okay, you people try to install this one. Try ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ let me know. I have shared the link now. I have shared the link. You people go through that one. Okay guys, that's for the day. You can leave. ಅದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರ. Thank you.